Let's create an automated funnel strategy to sell your digital products and courses. Timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources to building out the rest of your funnel. This is perfect if you're just getting started. Now, here's a quick rundown of the funnel, and we're going to be able to do all of this using a free piece of software. It, of course, starts with a landing page. Now, this is going to be where we collect contact information and offer a free PDF guide or Excel tool for free. More on that in a moment. Now, unlike some other funnels you might have seen, we're immediately going to make an offer using a one-time offer page and then have an immediate upsell for those that purchase. Of course, most people won't, so we'll be able to drop them into an email sequence. And of course, we'll talk about how to set up a free membership site as well. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first step is the landing page, which will look something like this. It's really easy to put together, and it does one thing: collect contact information. That is it. Now, the reason that this simple page works is because you're going to offer something called a lead magnet. So this is going to be a free audit, some sort of template, or a tool, link in the cards and the description to a super deep dive guide that goes through all different types of lead magnet ideas. One is bound to work for your particular business. Now, let's go ahead and jump into a free tool called Systemi.io so you can see how easy it is to actually set up this page. So I'm inside Systemi.io, and I'll go ahead and click to edit the page here. Now, there's actually a link in the description to our sales funnel playbook where you can grab a copy of all of these templates for free so you can import them directly into your free account. So you see here, we have a picture of our lead magnet. We have a headline, a couple bullet points, and a place to collect their contact information. And simple pages like this convert anywhere from 30, sometimes all the way up to 60 or 70%. Like, these pages work really, really well. You don't have to be a design savant in order to build out your funnel. And of course, this is what the final page looks like. And again, link in the description to grab a copy of all of these templates. Now, right after someone joins your email list, you're going to send them to a page that looks something like this. Now, what's very important is at the top, we tell them that their free lead magnet is on the way to their inbox. So the software is going to automatically send them their lead magnet. You don't have to worry about that. We're going to have a little countdown timer here and a really crazy discount. Normally, whatever you're offering on this page is going to be $25 or less. And why? Because we need it to be an impulse buy. And so all we do on this page is we have a headline letting people know the big reason or benefit of purchasing this one-time offer, a quick little 3 to 5 minute video explaining what the offer is, some more bullet points, and then a checkout form. Now, what's awesome is Systemi.io allows us to build this for free. So you can actually start making sales, connect it to a membership site, and be well on your way to building your funnel and income without having to shell out any money for the software. Of course, when you decide to upgrade, we receive a commission as a way to support this channel. Now, the key with this, of course, is that it is a low price point product that has a really deep discount. And of course, this countdown timer, once it hits 0, it actually redirects people to the higher price page. So that's part of what makes this work so well, is because it is a real countdown timer. We've all gone to pages where we can just refresh and the timer just keeps going over and over again. We're like, okay, well, this isn't actually going to go away anytime soon. Whereas when you do this, this will actually set yourself up for success in the future, because when someone sees that your countdown timer is real, right after they joined your email list, guess what? The next time you do it, they're actually going to take you seriously, which will increase your conversion rates even more in the future. Now, for those that do decide to purchase, they'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. And this is called an upsell page. So they've entered their credit card information, and we immediately make them another cool offer, right? And of course, because we're doing digital products or courses, this is all done automatically. Doesn't matter if we're online or not. This is going to work without our involvement at all. So you can see here, we tell them, wait, your order's not complete. We have a little image of whatever the offer is. This is something I slapped together in Canva in 5 minutes. You can probably tell. And then we have more bullet points, and then they have the option to say, yes, I want this cool thing, or no thanks, I'm good on my own. The key to this particular upsell is it's $100 or less. Again, because someone's just joined our email list, we want to give them a really deep discount, and we want to make sure that the price points are within a impulse buy territory as opposed to, hey, I know you just joined my email list and you just met me, but you should definitely buy my $2,000 super ultra awesome Pro Max course, right? Probably need a webinar and lots of emails and maybe even a sales call to do that, right? So let's go ahead and make sure that we use some low price point products just so we can start making some income now and hopefully recoup our ad costs, or at the very least, pay for our content so we can make more content to promote this particular funnel. And then at the very end, you'll have a simple confirmation page. Now, what's awesome about Systemi.io versus some of the other solutions that you can use out there is you can actually set up a full-blown membership website. So you can connect this to their membership software. Again, there are a lot of limitations on the free plan, but you can get started for free. And that way you have a landing page, you have a one-time offer page, an upsell, and a membership site all working for you on the free plan, ready to go. And this is all you need to get started. I know there are lots of different types of funnels out there. There are lots of different bells and whistles that you could add to this. So link in the cards in the description to an almost 2-hour video that goes through click by click exactly how to set up everything inside of Systemi.io, exactly how to write all of the sales copy, and in-depth guides to making sure everything works properly. And again, you can also check out the link in the description to grab a copy of all of our funnel templates that you can use with the free or paid plan, depending upon the type of funnel that you decide to build. The most important part of your funnel strategy is it's something that is simple, it works, and you can get started immediately. You don't need to spend months creating a 2-hour webinar, creating this really long, elegant looking sales letter. The faster you get started, the faster you can start making some sales and getting validation for your funnel, the better your strategies and, of course, income will ultimately be. And hey, it's a lot more fun to be working on a webinar when you have a funnel that's already working, as opposed to working on a webinar and then you aren't making any sales at all. So thank you so much for watching. Sincerely hope you got some value out of this video. Most importantly, you're a lot more confident when it comes to deploying your own sales funnel strategy. Again, just keep it simple, get it done. You can always be more complex later. Hit that like button, subscribe for more guides just like this one. Check out the link in the description to grab a copy of all of our funnel templates and set up your free Systemi.io account. And until the next, keep building the business you love.